summer loving, I got me a plan. I don't really need a man, as long as you got friends like my friend Carol, who brought me all of these fruits and vegetables. Big out of carrots, I knew they weren't going to stay on. Oh, well, that's okay. In the instructions, it says bake it upside down on 400 degrees. It doesn't say about putting any oil on it, but my friend, she puts olive oil on hers. So I'm going to do that. Anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes. And I cut it weird, of course, 2 different sizes. So I'm going to cook one about 25 minutes, and the other one is probably going to go the whole 45. And I'm putting a little salt on mine. Into the oven, 400 degrees. So I'm making the Zesty Italian spaghetti squash, because my girlfriend gave me spaghetti squash, and then I'm going to whip up a blackberry cheesecake, because she gave me these amazing blackberries. Oh my God, healthy. All healthy for us. Look at these potatoes. The potatoes were to die for. Right now we're getting that spaghetti squash in. We're having that Zesty Italian spaghetti squash for dinner tonight. And hopefully that blueberry cheesecake will get done too in time. Okay, so they are done. Spaghetti squash. And I'm telling you, got the little one out a little bit earlier. Put butter and a little bit of salt on it, and I mean, it's delicious. I mean, I don't need anything else. It's really a meal, but it does taste like noodles, and it's amazing. So anyway, I am gonna noodle this one up, put the marinara sauce on it, and the mozzarella cheese, and yeah, I'm gonna make it according to the recipe, and we'll see how good it is too. I'm really excited to try this because I pleasantly surprised how delicious this is. Debbie Garcia, the Badass Baby Boomer. I've lost 240 pounds, got 2 new knees, and I did a year of physical therapy and no more wheelchair. And now I'm sharing little tips and everything that's going on in my journey with you. Okay, now we got the now we got this spaghetti squash ready to go. So I'm going to put the marinara sauce on it. Okay. So, yeah. Let's put a lot of marinara sauce on it because this is a big piece. This is going to be at least 2 servings for me. Back over to here. And sprinkling on the mozzarella. Cheese is good for you, hamburger's good for you, tomatoes are good for you, spaghetti squash is good for you. It's the noodles where you get in trouble. All right. We're putting this in the oven. Gonna top her off, brown it. I'll be ready in no time, and I can't wait to dive in. Like I said, by itself, that is fabulous. It's getting roasty toasty done in the oven. 400 degrees still. I put it on 12 minutes. We'll see if that's enough. Okay. I didn't have enough cottage cheese, so I had to use a stick of cream cheese. Kind of defeated the whole purpose. But anyway, I do have yogurt in there. I have yogurt in there. I have the honey for the sweetener. I have 3 little farm fresh eggs. They're little, so I put 3 instead of just 2. And a little bit of sour cream. Gonna mix it all up. Guess who had unexpected company show up? But It got a little darker than I wanted. Typical of me. I always worry about other people. Anyway, we're gonna try this. I didn't want to hurt his feelings and tell him I was doing other stuff. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, I did spaghetti this up, that's right. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, it's still super hot. Jeez. I've probably waited at least 10 minutes. I get a little bite of everything. Yeah. I don't want to scourge my mouth. Okay. Yeah, that's awesome. It's very satisfying. It's very tasty. And you don't miss spaghetti noodles at all. Not at all. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna whip up my blackberry concoction, my cheesecake concoction. It says mix a few in and then save some for the topping. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it looks amazing. It looks just like any other cheesecake I've ever made. But I know it's healthier because I've never made them with yogurt. Oh, luscious. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's gonna be Look how beautiful this blackberry cheesecake turned out. It's gonna be yummy. Can't wait. Now I skipped the crust because I don't particularly care for the crust. It's just the insides I like. We'll see how this turns out. Okay, I made the cheesecake. It's yummy too. And blackberries are so good. Oh my God. Oh yeah, it's good. But it's an acquired taste because it's not like near as sweet as regular cheesecake is, you know. But it's creamy. It's good. It's going to satisfy me, but like I'm saying, I used honey. I'm going to try some more of these cheesecakes, but with different sweeteners and see which one works the best. Yeah. So, yeah, the spaghetti squash was delicious, yummy. And this is pretty good. I need to perfect it. I need to work on it. Thank you. Got blackberries all in my teeth.